Hey everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this local haul video. So if you saw my last video, it's going to look fairly similar to this video. I've kind of gone absolutely crazy to get the rest of these distressed oxide inks, and I have gotten another package of these blender brushes, which I will get into in a second. So this is all local haul. There was a scrapbooking store that I went out to, as well as I grabbed something from Michael's in here, so I'll go through everything here. So first I got some of this purple tape, and this is just basically to put on when you're die cutting or if you're masking, and it's not as sticky. I've been having a lot of problems with the micropore tape. It's really sticky and it leaves residue. I don't like it. So I thought I'd buy some of this and try it. There's some really good things I've heard about this tape. So that is this one by iCraft, and we'll test that out and see what we think of it. And then if you saw my last video, I had some oxides I'd gotten, and I downloaded this sheet from Ranger's webpage, and I basically did the color fill in of what I had and what I didn't have. And as you can see, there is a lot of blue and a lot of brown, but not a lot of the other colors, especially in here. And so I kind of looked through the colors and picked some out that I was gonna grab. And so these are the colors I got. This is Ripe Persimmon, and I really like this color. This is a really nice kind of brighty orange kind of red tone. Candied Apple, really like the warmness in this color, so I grabbed that one. Shabby Shutters, nice green. Wild Honey, a very warm kind of rich tone there. Mowed Lawn. Scattered Straw. Barn Door, another red. Didn't have very many reds. And then the last one was Chipped Sapphire, kind of a purpley blue. So I grabbed those ones, and really happy to kind of add those to my already existing color palette. So I grabbed these. These are the same package that I bought in my last haul from a different store. It's the same package, it's the same sizes, and I'll just show you the brushes that I have from already taken out from that last package. And I am in love with these. In fact, using those old foam ones, I thought, wow, this is something from like the 1500s or something compared to this tool here. Again, I will be doing a review video. I just haven't had time to shoot it yet, but I will be doing a review video on these. But this package here comes with these 4 bigger brushes. Now, I haven't had an opportunity to really use the smaller brush, but I have to say, for the big blending and the stenciling and that kind of thing, these are just incredible. And they're quite firm, but yet they're so soft, and the blending job that they do is incredible. And I will kind of go through that more when I do my review video on them, but I can just say that I am deeply in love with them. So at Michael's, I picked up this. I just like this. This is a combination of stencils that have adhesive on them plus stamps. And I'll kind of show you up here what it looks like. These ones here are the stencils, and they'll really work well with my travel albums and kind of themes like that. And then these are the stamps, as you can see there. So here are these stamps. You can get a better view of them this way. So I'll show you that this way. Just really like those stamps there. Again, with the travel album, it'll be really good. And then these are the adhesive stencils. And I love that some of these stencils are coming with adhesive on them. It's just going to make it easier to work with it, but really good set. They work together, and I know I'll get a good amount of use out of it. Now these are from Basic Gray, and these are the little magnetic discs, and you can use them in your albums and that, and each has a positive, negative, and then they pair up so that you can have a magnetic closure. I have a couple packages of these, and I wanted to just grab another one just in case. And then the last thing is I grabbed 3 pieces of these papers here. This one is from this collection here, and didn't quite care for this side, but this side I really like the words, and I grabbed 3 sheets of this because this is a really good backdrop on some of my albums, and it will go with the theme. And even though there is white writing here, you can just ink this with a vintage photo or whatever, just to add that brown color on there, just to kind of complete that vintage look. And that's what I plan to do. So this is my haul. I am just crazy about these brushes. I'll bring these ones in here so you can kind of get a better look at them again. But as you can see, this is the second set I bought. Now I've got this set as well as my new set, and I'll kind of go through why I bought 2 sets in my review video. But for now, this is my haul. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see that review video and my other videos. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.